Today, we have an exciting rundown of 7 incredible YouTube channel success stories. These channels, born just a few months ago, have already achieved the remarkable feat of monetization and are raking in a few hundred to a few $1,000s already. Be sure to stay to the end as we uncover 2 brand new channels that are making thousands and will probably be making over $10,000 per month soon. We will dive into each of these channels, their niche and content, and how you can achieve quick success within that niche, proving that within just a few months, you too can have YouTube success. So let's get started. Number 1, My AI Agent. Created April 8th, 2023, My AI Agent is our first AI channel on the list. In just a couple of months, they have amassed a substantial subscriber base of over 5,000 and have garnered more than 300,000 views, making around $300 per month already. With only 30 videos, the channel delves into the fascinating world of AI. A few video topics of theirs include how to create videos using AI, convert text to voice with AI, design photos with AI, generating scripts, and showing people how to make money using AI tools. Now, if you don't live under a rock, you know right now AI is booming hard all over the world. What better way to build a successful channel than to hop on this trend and ride? Model these videos in the upcoming AI channel videos I will be talking about to gain momentum and skyrocket your channel in a few months. You can also grow quickly by liking this video, subscribing to this channel, and hitting that bell icon for more intriguing content like this. Number 2, Glowy Nectarine ASMR. A very uncommon and oddly satisfying niche, Glowy Nectarine ASMR, a channel founded in the realm of autonomous sensory meridian response, specializes in creating soothing and immersive auditory experiences to help people fall asleep. This channel was started February 19th, 2023, and has already captivated over 2,000 subscribers and garnered more than 100,000 views, making around $116 per month. With an impressive library of 108 videos, viewers can indulge in tingling sensations, calming whispers, and satisfying sounds, making it a go-to destination for relaxation and sleep aids. Creating a YouTube channel in the ASMR niche can be a rewarding and enjoyable endeavor, as ASMR has gained immense popularity in recent years. ASMR is all about creating relaxing and soothing experiences through various auditory and visual triggers, helping viewers to unwind and experience a tingling sensation, often referred to as tingles. Want to gain quick fame like this channel? Find your ASMR niche, learn and experience with different sounds, crackles, triggers, and etc., and have very high quality audio and video. Number 3, Crazin Guides. Crazin Guides has emerged as a thriving gaming channel dedicated to providing the latest and greatest tips, tricks, and guides to conquer your favorite games. This channel started February 13th, 2023. They have gained nearly 2,000 subscribers and amassed over 300,000 views, making around $900 per month already. With an impressive video count of 72, Crazin Guides content spans across a wide range of titles, ensuring there's something for every gaming enthusiast out there. As we take a look through their content, most notably, their channel recently exploded due to putting out guides on the ever so popular game Baldur's Gate 3, which just released a few days ago, August 3rd. There are many YouTube gaming channels out there, and you may think it's very saturated. If you are pursuing the gaming niche, my advice to you is to focus on making content for newer released games. This channel is a prime example of releasing valuable content on a brand new popular game. Now they are reaping the benefits for months and even years to come with their new fan base. Number 4, WPig1651. WPig1651 is a quirky name and an uncommon niche. This channel has already gathered over 2,000 subscribers and exceeded 136,000 views since February 13th, 2023, with 49 videos live streamed, making close to $250 per month. This channel is unique in the way that the channel has no videos but live streamed events. These people are doing a podcast live stream event where they talk about a range of gaming topics, old to new. They really dive deep into game forums and ensure their viewers gain a vast history of the topic being explored, which is very unique. The narrators are also very entertaining and engaging their audience in the comments. If you want to explore this unique niche, I'd suggest doing live streams in a podcast way on current trends in the world. For example, AI is hugely popular right now. You can also do live streaming podcasts in just about any niche you want. Other examples include new games that came out, new celebrity gossip, new brand apparel drops, and the list goes on. Number 5. Poncho WC3. Poncho WC3 has taken the gaming world by storm with its Warcraft 3 Reforged content, making close to $450 per month. This channel was created February 12, 2023, and in just a few months, they have amassed an impressive 2,880 subscribers and over 455,000 views. With a vast library of 254 videos, this gaming channel offers action-packed gaming content surrounding Warcraft 3 Reforged gameplay, including playthroughs, tips, and hilarious moments. This channel isn't in English, and I put this on the list to show you that you can blow up quickly all over the world. My advice goes back to the other gaming channel on this list. Pick a very popular game to play and offer invaluable tips. It's a bonus if it is a brand new popular game, and you can get content out very quickly. Number 6. AI Apocalypse. Making a huge 2.3K per month. This channel joined YouTube just a few months ago on April 18th, 2023. They have accumulated an astonishing subscriber count of 47,800 and an impressive view count exceeding 2.2 million. With just 14 videos, this channel produces top-notch, visually stunning, and thought-provoking AI content. Some of their videos include topics about AI tools to create viral videos, creating a big amount of videos in a short time using AI, the lazy affiliate marketing methods to make money. The crazy thing is this channel is using an AI voice that isn't even good, yet their videos are captivating because of all the motion graphics and editing they use. If you want to explode an AI niche channel, you need to model off the AI videos that are already very popular. Do a quick search for AI money making, for example, and watch the top AI money making videos. Model and rework that content to make a better video. There is a reason why there are a massive amount of new AI channels, all making the same related content, because it works. Number 7. AI Uncovered. Making a magnificent 6.8K a month. AI Uncovered was created in April 9th, 2023. With a staggering 42.4K subscribers and an astounding view count nearing 3 million. This channel has garnered a devoted audience in just a few months. With 52 videos, AI Uncovered explores the latest AI trends and technology advancements, simplifying concepts for everyone to digest. Taking a look at their videos, they have taken a different AI niche approach. They talk about AI in a captivating and intriguing way, like how AI is rapidly changing the world, AI secrets, and explanation of AI technology to draw you into viewing. It doesn't seem to take much to start gaining traction in the AI niche on YouTube. You just need to start modeling these AI channels' content, create your own, and offer a lot of motion graphics and fast-paced editing to keep viewers engaged for longer. So I hope I convinced you that now is the time to start creating your own channel. It is never too late, and the longer you wait, the more growth you lose. You can start today and see rapid growth and possible monetization within a few months, just like these 7 channels did. Most of them aren't riding the AI trend wave either. Thanks for watching and see you soon.